Hi, my name is Judson Wilton, and I'm going to tell you why Livewire can help your commercial business needs. When we get into a commercial space, and whether that's been designed by an architect, has this beautiful space, and then you look up at the wall and they have these speakers and wires hanging down, that's not going to be something that we can do. I mean, that's not something that we want to do either. We want to make it to where it either blends in or goes away. It's aesthetic and it's approved. And again, so sometimes people think about this too far past where they should be thinking about it. And if we could have run some wire to that location, it'll be beautiful and it'll roll into the architectural design and what the architect or engineer was trying to convey in that space. So our customers are really happy when we kind of get on board at the same time, and I think that's important to especially a lot of these newer companies that are trying to keep good talent, is they have to have these kind of unique special spaces. In Scott's Addition area, there's a lot of really neat old spaces that are really nice, really fun, but they're usually either brick or concrete floors because it's an old industrial park, and getting sound, white noise or whatever issue they're having, we're able to kind of come in there and because we've done a few projects in there is be able to help that customer the best way we know how.